Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac XTS using the physical key. First, find the small button on your key fob and press it to release the hidden metal key. Once the metal key is out, you can use it to manually unlock the driver's side door. This is especially useful if your key fob battery is dead or not responding. After unlocking the door, get inside your XTS. Even with a dead fob battery, you can still start the car. Look for a backup key fob slot, often in the center console or cup holder, and place your fob there. If no slot, hold the fob directly against the start button. Then, press the brake and push the engine start button. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, after you get your Cadillac started, you might be heading out. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for any journey. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. If your Cadillac XTS still won't start, consider a few things. A weak car battery can prevent ignition, even with a working key. Always replace your key fob battery as soon as you notice it weakening. For detailed, model-specific guidance, your owner's manual is an excellent resource. It provides diagrams and precise steps for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.